Hello everybody, I'm Marianne and welcome to my Coco Sweets Chocolate Kitchen. Can you believe it? The holidays are here. It's been a crazy year. I hope you're all safe. And I thought for the occasion of the holidays, let me introduce you to one of our holiday gift boxes slash chocolate lover survival kits. Comes in 3 sizes. This one that I'm going to show you is a medium size, and I curate with what I have fresh in stock and a little seasonal, so it changes a little bit. You just click on the box and we'll curate a beautiful box either for yourself that you treat yourself with or for a loved one. So if you send it to a loved one, we're happy to write a short little note on the card. And then I like to include the Luvies. It's our best seller. It's super gifty and pretty. The Luvies are 16 individual chocolates, and it has dried apricot, sour cherry, ginger, and mango. Very shareable. That's why we call it Share the Lovey, or not share it. Either way, works fantastic. Then Blast from the Past, nonpareils. You know the nonpareils you have as a kid, you call them snow caps in America. Well, these are the same, but made with exquisite Swiss chocolate. So you have the beautiful memory, you have the fun crunch of eating it, but it's made with really amazing chocolate. So love eating those. And then at the moment I have the Pistachio bar. So you have beautiful pistachios that are roasted and slightly salted, dotting luscious, beautiful dark Swiss chocolate bar. And then let's see what else we have. Peanut butter and jellies. My homage to America and my husband, who made me my first peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. We don't really do peanut butter so much in Europe and in Switzerland, but when I had my first PBJ, I was like, this is really quite delicious. So I made a chocolate version. Raspberry jelly that I make with a little bit of lemon, so you have a little tartness. And then that combines beautifully with the peanut butter that I make with roasted peanuts and a little sea salt. Keep it very simple. Simple, but delicious. And then that is paired with of course, a beautiful Swiss chocolate. And then let's see, we have a Grand Cru Grenada Chocolate Bar. It's a little darker at 70%. It's single origin beans from the Spice Island of Grenada. Beautiful, many layers of flavor, beautiful texture, pairs well with a wine or a port or just like that naked. Love it, real treat. And then something I can't live without anymore. I created this cocoa butter lip balm. It's the first in our skincare series. It's made with cocoa butter, of course, and beeswax and essential oils and vitamin E. So it's really beautiful for your lips, and it doesn't dry you out because it has no petrochemicals. So really, really essential in the survival kit. So again, treat yourself or treat one of your loved ones with a chocolate lover box survival kit. That's what a medium size would look like. Enjoy. I wish you happy holidays, be safe, be sound, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.